I'm Dill D'Alally with ClownAntics.com, and today we will demonstrate a few takes. Okay, I will demonstrate a few takes for you now. The first will be a deadpan take. Now that can be used if you've said something that I just cannot believe. There shouldn't be any expression on my face, so you can read, or the audience can read whatever they want to into that deadpan take. Now, you can add some expression. Now say, I don't expect somebody to be there, but I've turned and what are they doing there? Now something has surprised me even more. Or even more. And it can escalate. Now, if I had some water, I might turn and spit it all over you, which, you know, always better. So when you've done something completely amazing or totally idiotic, if you want to invite applause, remember your tool is to style, and you can develop your own style, but it's always hitting a pose, a pose, a pose. Bring it. Thanks for joining us at ClownAntics.com. If you enjoyed this, please be sure to share it with your friends and family.